Life.
Life isn't about keeping score. Life isn't about how many friends you have or how accepted you are.
It isn't about if you have plans this weekend or if you're alone.
It isn't about when you're dating, who you used to date, how many people you've dated, or if you've been with anyone at all. It isn't about who you kissed. It's not about sex. It isn't about who your family is or what car you drive or something else.
It's not about what clothes you wear or what shoes you have on.
It's not about if your hair is black, red, blonde, or brown, or if your skin is too light or too dark.
It's not about what grades you get, how smart you are, or how smart student grades test that you are.
It's not about what clubs you're in or how good you are at your sport. It's not about representing your entire being on a piece of paper and seeing who accepts the worth in you.
Life just isn't. But life is about who you love and who you hurt.
It's about how you feel about yourself.
It's about trust, happiness, and compassion. It's about sticking up for your friends and replacing inner hate with love.
It's about friendship used as a gift, not a weapon. It's about what you say and what you eat.
It's about avoiding jealousy, overcoming ignorance, and building confidence.
It's about seeing people for who they are and not what they have. It's about carrying emotions, letting them grow, and spreading them. But most of all, it's about choosing to use your life to touch someone else's in a way that couldn't have been achieved otherwise.
Only you choose the way those hearts are affected.
And these choices are what life is all about.